Hello, teacher. How are you? Um, uh, what temor, te- what temor expensive play you visit, visited in your city? The mechanism in a Chocó. Is this located in Departamento Chocó? Which were the cheapest play? Um, in the city center wards there are frauds usat electronic devices. Um, did you spend a lot of money on your latrine? Yeah, because it visited several places like a Mecca World your can need other cool food and somatic care. What place had your stopping visited during your train? Um, Cavi in the city of Mina Choco due to lack of time. Had you ever metaphors during Naga train? Casa Esset? No, Jensi, por favor. Te la Hello, teacher. I am Nessie Mosquera. I am Choco. Is Mina Choco. Where Temor expensive play you visited in your city? The Mecca is Mina Choco. Is this located in Departamento Chocó? Um, with were the cheaper play in the city center where there are crowd used electronic devices. Did you spend a lot of money on your last print? Like yes, because she visited several places like make a word your can any other poor food and submitted get work place had your topic visited during your train. Mm, Carry in the city of Imina Choco due to lack on time. Had your metaphor during as a step? Yes, on the plain Wednesday was traveling forward to the city in Bogota. Thank you. Bye.